Hello, Dr. Apollo here. So today we'll be discussing the segment of system analysis. So we'll discuss about flow charting and Sudoku. So flow charting is imperative before the actual coding. Sudoku means the false code, no? Not the real code, but again, so most programmer follows the Sudoku. Okay, so flow charting helps in the analysis of the flow of the program. Other programmers will follow the flow charting. Know when to enter and know when to exit. So let's have the purpose flow charting and pseudocode are foundational tools used in algorithms. Algorithms means step-by-step design and problem solving in computer science and systems development. Their purpose is to visually and logically represents a process or algorithms, simplify the planning and debugging of a program. So they have to, in flowcharting, programmers usually design the flow of the program. So they will discuss the high level, what the program will going to do before the actual coding. So in that way, so there's a direction, law uh, of the program. Again, purpose is to ensure shared understanding between developers, instructors, and stakeholders before actual coding begins. Sometimes they change the programmer. So if there's a flowchart, so the incoming programmer can easily adapt into and then without much because planning is already done. So the main points, flowcharting, diagrammatic representation, using standardized symbols to map out the sequence of operations in a process. Remember, uh, rectangle is the input, the uh, parallelogram is the input and output, rectangle is the process, then diagonal uh, is a decision like that one. Okay, arrow is the flow lines. So those are the basic symbols used in the flow charting. So the main points here is helps in this identifying the loops and decisions in data flow. So enhances communication and clarity. So according to Shelley, that's our validation. So the code, on the other hand, a structured but informal language diagnostic. Agnostics method of express algorithm. Pseudocode is known as the false code, no? Not the real one. But again, this one helps to clarify the flow of the logic of the program. So the codes, we are in the purpose, right? Yeah. The main point. Focus on logic over syntax. Preparing for translation into any programming languages. Okay, so logic. Syntax is if you are in the programming logic languages, C basic, Pascal, like this one. So encourages problem decompositions and algorithmic thinking. So validations from Forbel and Dropi. So also from Gromes and Mendes says another validation. Research in educational settings shows that using pseudocode and flowcharts before coding. That means this is the planning. This is the blueprint. Okay. According to Gomes, reduces programming errors. According to Latinen enhances problem solving performance among beginners. From Grover and P encourages the development of computational thinking. So illustration flowchart, for example, this one. This is a what we call flowchart. Not in the symbol, na? But uh, not on the symbol, but on the high level, almost high level language. No? So choose the direction. Start, enter, initial, yes, no, then end. So the pseudocode is start input username, password. If username, password match, then access. As simple as that. Now simple program. So pseudocode and flowchart apply in programming education techniques, logic without being hindered by syntax errors. Because syntax is only on the specific language. Software engineering used during the syntax design pays for clearer planning. Business process modeling helps visualize workflow in HR, finance, and operations. Technical documentation supports communication between business analysts and developers. The value of this one is improves code quality and readability, helps team collaboration. Yeah. It invites more creative thinking. That's collaboration. Facilitates early detection of design flaws, bridges the gap between non-programmers and developers. And because managers, they are not techy, so they can understand. But if you do it in a flowchart, they can understand, and then they can give their opinion. If managers join, so therefore, the project most likely will go. So again, these are citations. Okay. Okay, unless you have some questions, we will continue tomorrow for the next segment. Thank you for having me. Bye bye.